President Trump did not address the surge of new COVID cases yesterday. He did, however, say that Attorney General William Barr is not working hard enough to find evidence of election fraud. Barr says the Justice Department has found no evidence that Mr. Trump lost because of fraud. Paula Reid has more on this story.
President Trump on Thursday would not say if he had confidence in Attorney General William Barr.
Ask me that in a number of weeks from now.
The tepid response came just 2 days after Barr told the Associated Press the Justice Department had looked into complaints about the election, but has not seen fraud on a scale that could have affected a different outcome in the election.
They haven't looked very hard, which is a disappointment, to be honest with you, because it's massive fraud.
The courts have roundly rejected the Trump campaign's claims because of a lack of evidence of massive fraud. CBS News has also learned the president was not happy about the article and had a tense meeting with Barr on Tuesday.
Whether you go to Wisconsin, where we just filed a case, or Michigan, or if you look at what's happening in Georgia, as an example, or Pennsylvania.
A few hours after the president made that claim, the Wisconsin Supreme Court refused to hear a petition from his legal team to overturn the results of the election in the state and kicked the case down to lower courts to sort out factual disputes.
The campaign says it will continue to fight in Wisconsin. And so far, this litigation based on false claims of a rigged election has helped the campaign and the RNC raise over $200 million since Election Day. Gail.
It's a lot of money, Paula. Now we hear the president is threatening to veto a defense spending bill that it seems his own party supports. So why is he doing that?
Well, Gail, the president has threatened to veto the National Defense Authorization Act, a bill that has been passed by Congress for 60 years, unless lawmakers add a provision limiting protections for social media companies. But even members of his own party have said that has nothing to do with a bill that helps fund the military. Now, lawmakers do have a way to get around a potential veto. It would require a bipartisan effort, 2/3 of the House and the Senate. They have the votes, but so far it appears they're calling the president's bluff. Gail.
All right. Thank you, Paula.